This is my first time trying Skinfix. I'd never even heard of it. It was sent to me, or I probably never would have tried it, but I'm glad I did. I really like it. Let's start by talking about this gorgeous blue packaging. If you love blue, if you love aqua, I think you're really gonna love this. Can you imagine if you had all of your skincare and this laid out on your bathroom counter? Oh, it'd be so beautiful with a sea painting in the background. Lovely. That's my favorite part of it. No, that's not my favorite part of it. I love the product too. I just mean I love the packaging as well. The lid lifts straight off like this. I tried unscrewing it. It's not going to come off if you try unscrewing it. It just lifts right off. The packaging itself is plastic. The dispensing is something I hadn't experienced in any skincare before, and I like it. I like it a lot. I do have one caveat, so stay tuned for that. When you press it once, you get a nice little glob, and that's great. You can use it all. You have to be careful though, because it doesn't dispense evenly. And that's what I don't like about it, is it doesn't dispense evenly. I'm usually in a hurry. I'm grabbing this. I'm doing my lotion. I'm moved on to the next thing. I've got about 3 minutes to do my entire skincare routine, brush my teeth, brush my hair, and be out the door. So I don't have time to mess around with this. That's the one thing I don't like about it. Everything else I love. It smells like sunscreen. It smells like sunscreen, which is fine. I don't mind the smell of sunscreen. If you don't like the smell of sunscreen, this is not for you. It's very moisturizing. It's a nice texture, very creamy. I'm gonna put it on my neck. My neck needs some help. On my forehead. Put it everywhere. I have dry skin. I'm 50 years old. This is perfect for dry skin. I find myself reaching for this right after my serums to get a little bit of extra moisturization. It stays on so good. It stays moisturizing for hours after I apply it. And my skin just feels so refreshed after I put it on. It soaks right into the skin. You don't spend too much time rubbing it. I don't have time to rub in my moisturizer. I want it to just absorb and get on with my day. Afterwards, my hands, whatever's left on my hands, you apply it on the back of your hands, always. From here to here, everywhere, hands too. You can even put it on your arms. Wherever you want that skin to look good, that's where you put it. Whenever it's left on my hands feel very moisturized, even after a washing or two. So it lasts a really long time. Overall, this is a great product and I'm really enjoying it. I'm so glad I got the sample.